This is the video on how to read the payment and claim cutoff calendars for the Minnesota Healthcare Programs, or MHCP. MHCP processes claims 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. MHCP uses a payment and claim cutoff calendar to determine the cutoff date that we must receive a provider's claims to ensure they will be processed in a timely manner. This calendar also contains the dates that MHCP processes electronic fund transfers and sends the remittance advices and X12-835s to a provider's minutes mailbox. The payment and claim cutoff calendars are located on the MHCP Billing Resources page on the Department of Human Services website. We recommend that you bookmark this site. At the bottom of this page is a section titled Calendars and Reading the PCN. This section contains links for calendars for different years, instructions on how to read the payer claim control number, and 2 links explaining how to read the Julian calendar. We will click on the 2022 Payment and Claim Cutoff Calendar link. This opens the 2022 Calendar PDF in a new tab. This PDF is also available in eDocs by searching for DHS-3947G-ENG. Let's look at the information contained in this payment and claim cutoff calendar. On the top of each page in this PDF is an explanation of the billing process along with links to the provider website, minutes, and the phone numbers for the Provider Resource Center. Each month of the year contains the dates for the claim cutoff electronic fund transfers, or EFT, payments, and when providers will receive their remittance advice, or RAs. When providers enroll with MHCP, they will receive their RAs as a PDF or an X12-835 file in their minutes mailbox. Let's look at the month of January. The cutoff date to submit claims is every other Thursday at 11:59 p.m. In our example, the dates are January 13 and 27. If a provider submits a claim after the cutoff, it will not show up on their RA until the next payment cycle. Using this calendar, we see if we submitted a claim on January 27, it would be processed on that date and paid on February 1. The claim submitted on January 27 will appear on the February 4 RA. Electronic fund transfers are received the following Tuesday after the claim cutoff date. If a holiday falls within a payment cycle, it will push the date out 1 day. For example, on our 2022 calendar, January 17 is a holiday, and the EFT was pushed out to Wednesday, January 19. The claims that were paid in the EFT will be listed in the RA on the Friday following the EFT payment. We recommend you submit claims as early as possible to avoid the increased volume of submissions in minutes on the claim cutoff dates. The other dates on the claim cutoff calendar shows when a provider will receive their RA or X12-835 files. In January of 2022, the RA PDF and X12-835 files were sent to the minutes mailbox on January 7 and 21. To learn more about RAs or the minutes mailbox, we recommend that you watch the How to Read Your Remittance Advice or Using the Minutes Mailbox videos on the MHCP Enrolled Provider Training page. In this video, you have learned how to read the MHCP payment and claim cutoff calendar. Knowing how to read the calendar will help you submit claims so they are processed in a timely fashion and you can be paid sooner. If you have questions about this resource or other billing questions, call the Provider Resource Center at 651-431-2700. The Department of Human Services offers various training opportunities, including other on-demand videos and online sessions. You can register for the online sessions by visiting the MHCP Enrolled Provider Training page on the DHS Provider website. Check the MHCP Provider News and Updates for announcements on changes to programs and information about new learning tutorials when they become available. Thank you.